Hi everyone. So this video is all about template engine in Express. So template engines are used for rendering dynamic HTML content, and some popular template engines are EJS, PUG and handlebars. Okay. So EJS is the popular one. EJS means embedded JavaScript, and EJS it is similar and simple to HTML but with embedded JavaScript logic. And it allows server-side rendering, which is useful for SEO, means search engine optimization. And this is the syntax for EJS for embedding the JavaScript variables. So we will see with some examples later, and there are some prerequisites. So first step is to install the EJS. So let's check in package.json. So EJS is not available here. So first step is to install it. npm I EJS. Okay. Then second step will be we need to set up EJS in Express. Then we need to create the EJS templates. So to create the EJS templates, we need to make a views folder first in the root directory. Views, and inside it we need to create a index.ejs. So extension should be EJS. So as we have seen, EJS is installed successfully. Now we need to see the basic example how to use EJS. So firstly, we need to import the required modules. Okay. Const express equals to require express. Okay. So we have imported the Express framework. Import Express framework. We have imported it. Okay. And the next step will be we need to create an Express application. How to create it? Const app is equals to Express. This is how we create Express application. Create Express application. Okay. So now the another step will be we need to set up EJS in Express. Set up EJS as the template engine. How to set up? This is the syntax: app.set view engine, comma EJS. So this is the syntax. So what it means? It will tells the Express to use EJS as the template engine for rendering views. Okay, so this is how we tell the Express to use the EJS engine: app.set view engine, comma EJS. Okay, now we need to define a route to render an EJS template. Now we need to define a route to render EJS template. Okay, so how we define a route? App.get, okay, request, comma response, here we will make a variable data. Inside data we will add name say Ram, and title say welcome to EJS tutorial. Okay, so this is the data to be passed to the EJS template. Data to be passed to EJS template. Okay, So now we need to render the index.ejs template and pass the data object to it. Okay. So in index.ejs, this is the template. So firstly make a boilerplate code. Okay. And here, so here we want to dynamically inject the title. So for that syntax will be, let's copy the syntax. So this is the EJS syntax for embedding the JavaScript variables. Okay. So here we will write title. We will dynamically fetch it. Okay. And in body section, let's make a h1 tag. You will see write hello. Then name. Okay. And another tag h2. Welcome to EJS. Okay. This web page. So this is our index file, index HTML file, or we can say that index.ejs file. So now we want to render this data into the index.ejs file. So how we do it? We will use res.render index. This is the file name where we want to render. Then data. We need to send this data variable. Okay. So what it meant? It will render the index.ejs template and pass the data object to it. So this data object contains name and title. So it will be embedded here, title and name. Okay. So now what we need to do, next step is to start the server. Now we will start the server. So how we start the server? App.listen. We will start the server on 3000. Callback console server is listening on TTP localhost 3000. Okay. So this is the code. So what this app.get what it will do? It will handles the get request to the root URL. Handles the get request to root URL. Okay. So let's run the code. Let's start the server. So now server is listening on port 3000. Let's go to this link. Unexpected token in C. Okay. Use. Let's check here. Okay, we need to combine it. Now again we need to run it. Okay, so the EJS page is rendered successfully. Now we got title as welcome to EJS tutorial and hello name. This is embedded as hello Ram. If you want to change the name, let's go to here in the data. We can change the name as Kashish. Okay. Okay, we need to run the server again. Okay, let's check it here. Hello Kashish, welcome to EJS web page. Okay. So this is how template engine worked. What we have done, we have installed the EJS, then we have done the setup of EJS in Express, and also we have created the EJS template. Okay, so this app.set view engine comma EJS, it will tells the Express to use EJS as the template engine for rendering views. Okay, so this is all about EJS template engine. And guys, I am sharing my GitHub account in the description. You can check out there and can get the code from there.